Now, let us spill this already spilled juice and talk about Lerato Kganyago, right? Lerato Kganyago has come online and expressed why she did not celebrate Valentine, what was happening in her life, and with that said, Inno Morolong found it better to say ukuthi this is karma, she deserved it in a way. What's happening to her, it's because of utella batho and so I think somehow girl felt guilty because she did make an apology and said, at Lerato Kganyago, I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart. It was very distasteful of me to say such horrible things about you. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Sending love and light, sis. But already the words were out, guys. Like when you stain somebody or when you say something horrible about a person, like there is nothing. Like there are no words that you can say to take it back. Now here's a video of Inno Morolong saying that literally Lerato deserved what had happened to her. Please do like, share, and subscribe.
Kids, how is it our problem? I don't think she chose not to have. It's not our problem, but the problem is she has a loud mouth and she disrespects people. So wabala modimo mo tla kang. Bolela batho ke dikatane. Batho ba na di-poch tse o nang le tsona. Hey. So re tla fuwa differently. Ba bang re tla fuwa bana, ba bang ba batla ba tingwa, ba batla fuwa dikoloi tse tla ba petrola. It's life. It's how it is. It's like this. It's like that. It's life. So you're gonna disrespect people, measure them with material things. God will show you. God will show you. God will show you. All right. If we're differently, God is like that. Let's say when you're Lerato Kganyago, you're telling people how better you are, what a Porsche, how many cars you're driving. Then you try to have kids. What happens? Asileboloi. Let's say obabalwa. O gwa ka batho ka bana ba bona ba sa o tsebeng, ba sa etsa nix. O tsamaya ka le batjha le jwang. You try to have kids, what happens? Some other things, they don't even need motho o yengate. You just give everything to God. Oh, ba re so kana. Ba re so. Ukhona uJesu. Ukhona uJesu.
I am charging.
Ukhona uJesu. Do you know how many people